David here, Royal Navy Yachtmaster. So let's talk about day 2 of your training. Day 1 we spent docking and undocking, leaving you confident, safer, so you have more fun. Day 2 is really everything else that happens when you go out on your boat for the day. So I'll teach you navigation, how to find your way out of the waterway or the marina where you are safely without running on the sandbar. You got to watch out for how deep the water is. I'll teach you how to use the VHF radio, your safety equipment, etc. I'll also teach you how to tie the boat up so it looks proper. There's a really proper way to do it and a really not proper way to do it. I'll teach you the right way so you look cool, so you're always looking good, alright? There's a couple of other things that you'll learn on day 2 which you will really value. So one of those is anchoring. Anchoring is something that is very easy to do badly and frankly turn into a disaster. I teach you how to do it really well so that it's such an addition to your day out on your boat. You find a nice bay or a cove or a beach somewhere you like to go, you anchor, and then you can picnic and you can swim and kids can jump off the back, fish, whatever. So anchoring is a big one. There's a third really big thing that we'll do on your day 2 with me, and that is how to avoid and deal with other boats. I know that I hear from my clients there are various approaches that you all use. I hear that you guys think you know the collision rules. I hear might has right, gray has way. Those are good ones. Not true, but anyway, let's go with that. I also hear, well, I just slow down for everything. Well, on a Saturday afternoon in San Diego Bay, you try getting anywhere if you slow down for everything. All right, so here's the thing. I taught these collision rules in the Royal Navy. If you're going to drive a 5,000-ton warship through the Straits of Gibraltar or down Hong Kong Harbor like I did, you better know the collision rules. And so I'll teach you how to implement them with confidence, again, so that you're more confident, safer, and have more fun on your boat. Visit me at royalnavyyachtmaster.com or call me for a free consultation, 619-757-4497. Thanks so much. We'll see you out there.